can you show us how you do a Geordie accent? Well, I suppose for a lot of times I'm just doing like one sentence, and so you can't actually, know whether I can talk like all the time, which I totally understand, like, but I suppose it's quite hard to try and think about what I should say and what I should talk about. But I love Newcastle upon Tyne. I love a Geordie. I didn't give a shite if you don't think that my accent's any good, because I think I'm quite good at it, actually. I spent a bit of time up in Newcastle a long time ago. And at the time, there was quite a few lads that were saying I was a reet bonny lass. But it was a long time ago now. Like a long time ago. All right, here's my Geordie accent. I hope you like it.